Hello friends, today we are going to learn Plato's charges against poetry. Friends, in the last lecture we learned Plato in book number 10 used the concept of mimesis, imitation in Republic. In the last lecture we also learned that he makes the charges against the poetry. Okay, the first charge he said that poetry should be banned because it's create the willful misrepresentation of gods and heroes in poem. Secondly, he said that poetry is thrice removed from the reality, therefore it should be banned. And third point, which we are going to discuss today, that is poetry is the evidence of mature. Okay, third point. It is an evidence, पुरावा आहे कसला? Evidence of mature tragedy and comedy together. Comedy together. We have not right to mention it. Okay. First of all, we have to understand that the Plato is the classical critic. Classical critics should not be accept the changes. They are very strict, firm on their ideas. So therefore, they could not be flexible. They could not be make its ideas flexible. So therefore, they ban. Therefore, he make the charge against the poem, against the poetry. That is, it is an evidence of intermingling of tragedy and comedy within one form. एकाच फॉर्ममध्ये, एकाच लिटररी फॉर्ममध्ये, एकाच कवितेमध्ये आनंदही आणि दुःखही असं दोन्ही गोष्टी दाखवून चालणार नाही असं प्लेटो म्हणतो. ओके, बिकॉज कॉमेडी इट्स मेक्स द हॅपी. ऑन द अनदर साइड्स ट्रॅजेडी इज द मॉर्नफुल, दुःखद गोष्ट असते. सो देअरफॉर इट शुड बी बॅन अँड वाईस वर्सा. Okay, it should be banned in the ideal state. And the last and the fourth point is poetry is a deceptive. Okay, चौथा जो पॉइंट आहे तो म्हणजे पोएट्री कशी आहे, डिसेप्टिव्ह. पोएट्री इज अ डिसेप्टिव्ह. इट इज नॉट रियालिटी. फसवी असते. इट्स मेक्स द रॉंग or pseudo reality. It's create the pseudo reality according to the Plato. प्लेटोच्या म्हणण्यानुसार तिथं वास्तव नसतं. इट इज द रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ द रियालिटी इज लाइकनेस. वास्तव दिसण्यासारखं तिथे प्रेझेंटेशन असतं. नाव पोएट्री इज मिसलीड ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज, आयडियाज टुवर्ड्स द फेक आयडियोलॉजी. कविता ही फेक आयडियोलॉजीकडे घेऊन जाणारी असते, म्हणून त्याला तिथे बॅन करायला हवं. इट इज द इम्परफेक्ट ऑफ आयडिया दॅट मिसलीड द सोसायटी. मिसलीड करतं, समाजाला काय करतं, मिसलीड करतं. देअरफॉर इन द फोर्थ पॉईंट ही सेड दॅट पोएट्री इज अ डिसेप्टिव्ह. फसवी असते. इट इज नॉट हॅज अँड रियालिटी. वास्तवतेसारखं नसतं. देअरफॉर इट इज मिसलिडिंग टू द सोसायटी. समाजाला दुसरीकडे घेऊन जाण्याचं काम करत असतं. देअरफॉर इट शुड बी बॅन्ड फ्रॉम द आयडियल स्टेट. नाव आय वुड लाईक टू रिवाइज ऑल दिस पॉईंट्स in front of you because it will be a very short lectures for you. So now we learn the 4 points that first of all once again revise. Okay, now in his book Republic he put the idea about the ideal state. He makes the charges that poetry should be banned from the ideal state in the Republic book. Okay, त्याचे 14 खंड आहेत. त्यापैकी त्याने काही ठिकाणी या गोष्टींचा उल्लेख केलेला आहे. Now first charge is willful misrepresentation of gods and heroes. Second charge is it is a thrice removed from the reality. Third point is it is evidence of intermingling comedy and tragedy within one form. Fourth charge is poetry is deceptive. So I think that you will understand all these things. We will discuss on it on the Zoom meeting if possible. So thank you very much from this lecture, for this lecture. Okay.